just a little story that I just want to put here. I don't know if I have. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. I have done several videos on the Kokie Cosmetics brand, and I'll post them somewhere here, or at the end of this video. Kokie, I like Kokie's products. I like their quality and especially their price tag. They do sell here in the United States through a chain called Hydrating, which is one of our local chains here. But they are an international brand. They're a Korean brand. And again, please check out the other videos I have on products from Kokie. What I have found interesting about Kokie, so my story with Kokie Cosmetics goes like this. I'll post a video somewhere here, or at the end of the video. I was reviewing some of their products, and one of the products I had gotten was their powder foundation. I opened it, it was loose, and I had filmed it. It was in real time. I was a little disappointed, but I wasn't gonna throw it away. I said, you know, I could still use the powder. It's just loose, so you have to be careful. Someone from the Kokie brand happened to be viewing my video, my little channel. And they reached out through my business email, and they said, you know, we saw your video, and oh my gosh, you know, we really feel like bad about this, and we would like to fix the situation. Can we send you a new one? And I said, oh my gosh, like what? Like, I wasn't even expecting an email like this. I'm a small channel. As a matter of fact, I don't even check my business email every day. But I happened to check it like a week or two after I had posted the video. I had moved on with my life, and I happened to see an email from someone from Kokie. I click it, and they explained the situation and said, you know, we would like to send you a new one. And I was floored, like floored. Again, I am a small channel. I'm not someone that has millions of subscribers. I appreciate every single one of the subscribers I do have. On the other hand, my numbers don't support or reach out from a company. I had no idea. But yeah, someone at Kokie had viewed my video, and they reached out and they wanted to help resolve the situation. I was floored. I was impressed. And the main thought that came into my mind was, wow, this is what customer service should be. Again, I'm not saying that every brand should be, you know, trolling or stalking every single channel that makes a mention of them. What I am saying, because that's impossible, what I am saying is, this was just, this is like above and beyond, you know, for me anyway. So I tentatively reached out to this company. I wasn't sure. I was like, is this for real? And it turns out it was. And they asked for my order number. I gave it to them. They actually were able to find my address. I verified the address, and they sent me a new one. And in this one, they apparently had switched out the glue. So now they're using a different glue. So it was like from the fresh batch or whatever. And I'm just like floored, just absolutely delighted, excited. And I just kept thinking, I'm a small channel. Like, wow, this is customer service. This is amazing. And if you've been a subscriber to my channel, or even if you've been a casual watcher of my channel, you may have seen a couple of Kokie Cosmetics products being featured or showcased on this channel. If you haven't, don't worry about it. Again, I'll put the link somewhere here or at the end of the video so you can see my other videos on Kokie. I'm just grateful and thankful to Kokie for reaching out. And again, I can only say to all my subscribers and to my casual watchers that pass through here that I stand by what I say about Koki. I find it a quality brand, and now I can actually say with the utmost confidence, they have stellar customer service. So if you haven't gotten on the Kokie Cosmetics train, I highly suggest that you do. Their products are quality. Their price tag is amazing for the quality that they give. And I have yet to be, you know, totally disappointed by anything that Koki has produced. Love it. So these products, I believe, are from the March mystery box. Once a month, Koki has a mystery box, and it's a monthly box. So in other words, there's a January mystery box, a February mystery box, a March mystery box. So this is how it comes. Wrapped up like this. Ooh, I already see something promising in there. It's something called Volume and Length. This is their mascara. Ooh, nice. Let's see what it looks like inside as far as the applicator. Feels really thick. And this is a typical applicator. Okay. It doesn't seem to have a scent, which is nice. I'm just gonna apply that here. Now, you all may or may not know, for those who are regulars here, I don't use a curling wand. I don't like putting things in my eye. I get really jumpy about that. So I rely on the mascara to do what it says without the understanding or the implicit understanding that you need an eyelash curler. I believe mascara should be able, with the technology we have at this point, to do it on its own. It does darken my lash, that it does too. But as far as lifting, I don't know. I don't know if this is buildable, so I may go back. But the formula feels nice. It doesn't have a scent, so that's cool. On to the next thing. Oh, is this one of their pencils? Because their pencils are bomb. You see that here? And this color, I am living. Matches my shirt a little bit. Kohl eyeliner. Their eyeliners are so creamy. They're incredible. I need a mirror. I'm gonna put this bad boy on because I love green. Oh, and again, glides on. It doesn't pinch. It doesn't drag. It feels beautiful. Oh my goodness. I cannot recommend the Kohl's eyeliner and their eyeliner period. It's just incredible. And it's retractable. So in other words, you can turn it. So I am loving that. Ah, yeah, love this stuff. What's the next thing we have here? It's Koki's Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer. Amazing. Do you see that, guys and gals? I love it. Here's the point. I already cleansed and moisturized my face, so I'm just, hopefully this will be able to do what it needs to do. Okay. Oh, it's stringy. Ooh, you see that? Smooth Glow. That's how it looks. Cute, right? And I shall put, does it has a slight chemical-like scent, but okay. I'm just putting on the usual spots where I like to have primer sitting. It does have a slight scent. but it doesn't bother me. It might bother people who do have any kind of aversion to scent, but I like it. It goes on very smooth and it sinks into the skin like no problem. Okay, what's this? Kokie Strobe Lights. Ooh, and this is like a deep, warm copper. This is called Radiant. Is that pretty? What? That is so pretty. So let's just put that there. Oh, look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Gorgeous. It feels so creamy. And it doesn't have a scent. It smells like maybe a little like crayon, but not. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, and it's so creamy. Oh my goodness. And if you want to tone it down a bit, you can blend it out. It's real creamy. And look at that. Oh my goodness, that is fantastic. Ooh. And this is their creamy contour. What? What? Yes. This stuff is amazing. Their powder version to me is even better. There's the powder one. That's my ride or die, I think, the powder one. But this is the cream contour. This is amazing too. So what did I think of the Kokie Cosmetics March mystery box? I would say it was great. I love that it had a contour, a highlighter, and it was creamy. One of their kohl eyeliners was in there. Love it, love it. Can't say more than enough. And a mascara. So what was missing? A lipstick, maybe a blush. But you know what? I'm fine with it. I can't wait to see what the next box will bring. What about you? Do you subscribe to the Kokie Cosmetics mystery boxes? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried out Kokie? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.